This video shows you how to select periods when you are using a cash account. When the cash account was originally set up on Debonair, a choice was made between either monthly periods or weekly periods. This video will show you how to choose the appropriate period for the bookkeeping that you are going to do. First of all, log on to Debonair and then click on Cash. Then select the cash account that you require here. If you have set the cash account up for having monthly periods, then you choose the first month from the drop-down list of months here. Once you have entered the transactions for the month, you must then enter the cash account balance at the end of the month here. Once the balance has been entered, this will allow you to access the following month from the drop-down list here. If you have set the cash accounts to have weekly periods, you first have to set up the week by entering the period description here. Then you click on Add New Period and then select the week that you have created here. Again, after entering all the transactions for the week, you have to enter the cash account balance to move on to the next period. And that's all there is to selecting cash account periods. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel in order to obtain notification when we upload new videos to help you. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.